We know you are going to love guilt-free frying with your PowerXL Vortex Air Fryer. Let's review a few safety, care, and cleaning tips to make your experience even better. Plug the unit into a grounded wall socket. For the best performance, always use the fry tray with the basket. To preheat, push the power button, adjust the temperature button, and set the preheat time to about 3 minutes. When the preheat cycle finishes, remove the basket and place the ingredients inside. Do not touch the basket directly because it is hot. Only hold the basket by its handle. And when handling hot food, always use tongs, kitchen utensils, mitts, or pot holders to protect your hands. Remember, when your food is cooked, use tongs or kitchen utensils to remove the food. Do not flip the basket and spill it out because that will allow any excess oil on the bottom of the basket to leak back onto your food. If you want your food cooked a little more, simply slide the basket back into the unit and add a few minutes to the cooking time. It is important to clean your PowerXL Vortex Air Fryer after each use. The basket and fry tray have a non-stick surface. Do not use abrasive cleaning materials or metal utensils on them. To clean your Power Vortex Air Fryer, unplug the power cable from the wall socket. Never submerge your PowerXL Vortex Air Fryer in water. It is an electrical appliance and water can ruin it and create a safety hazard. Make sure that the unit is thoroughly cool to the touch before handling it. Wipe the outside of the unit with a warm, moist cloth and mild detergent. Clean the basket and fry tray with hot water, a mild detergent, and a non-abrasive sponge. The fry tray is dishwasher safe and can go in the dishwasher. Clean the inside of the unit by wiping it with a warm, moist cloth and mild detergent. Remove unwanted food residue from the heating element. If necessary, use a soft cleaning brush. Once it is dry, store your PowerXL Vortex Air Fryer in a clean, dry place until you are ready to use it again. Enjoy guilt-free frying and the crunch and crisp you can't resist with your PowerXL Vortex Air Fryer.
PowerXL. Life keeps you busy. We help you excel.